Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode, hopefully a quick episode, and this is going to be a couple of tricks and tips, because in these boxes here are all my exhaust parts. Now, to make this easier for us, I want to create some clamps so everything ties in together and it's nice and easy to weld. It holds everything in place, in line and everything. Some of you may have seen these things trending on TikTok or Facebook or whatever, of these particular clamps. So you put mold grips on the clamps and they've got slotted holes in, and it lines everything up and you can tack bits in place. I had a look, they're all from China and they wouldn't be here in time. So I'm going to make my own and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So these are the clamps, okay, and what I'm going to do, it's a little bit hard to film because I'm handheld with the camera. I'm going to drill holes, one here, and one the other side. Now I'm not going to slot them because I don't have the proper tools really to slot them and it might look a little bit dodgy. So I'm going to go through with the biggest drill bit that'll fit in my chuck, which is a 13. Obviously we need to pilot these first, and what will happen when you put it on, it's got a bit of pipe out, you put it on half and half, as you can see, halfway on, something like that. You then tighten this bolt up and that will hold everything in place. And then where the holes are, which is going to be one here roughly, you just put a tack on. Okay, so I'll set up the camera and probably do a little bit of a time lapse with drilling these, and then I'll bring you back and you can see what it's like. Okay, so you can see there's holes in there. So if I now set up the pipe, put that on. Just set up the pipe now and then bolt this on. So as you can see, I haven't quite set it up, but it's around halfway, and it means you can get your TIG gun in there to tack it. Same on that one. And then the same on that one. So I've got two to do. Obviously the first one's done. I'll do the second one now and that's ready. So yeah, I hope you like this little tip and I hope it helps you out if you're ever going to do it yourself. And this is the finished article, and you can see There's the join. And it means I can get my TIG welder in there and tack on. And then I'll just roll this round and same the other side and one on the top as well. So I hope you found this helpful, guys. If you did, please put a comment on and give us a like and a subscribe. Would really appreciate it.